Hey, Walter here, and did you know, I have a friend, he grew up in a commune, you know those places where hippies lived back in the 60s? And what he was telling me was, most of the communes in the USA anyways, they all shut down. And the reason why they all shut down is because they had communication issues, and that communication was the biggest deal. And so his community on his commune worked really hard on communication. Now, why am I telling you this, and how does it relate to trading? Well, it turns out the biggest reason why traders quit trading altogether or quit their system is because of a drawdown. And so how do we deal with that? Well, here's a drawdown right here. You can see it. This is from a live account. I actually had two trading accounts. I had this one right here. You can see this is the equity curve here, and I had this one right here. You can see this is the equity curve there. If you combine both of these equity curves together, the reason why I use multiple, these are real accounts. They're in from the Small Accounts Big Profits class. You can click the link below this video to learn more about that class. But basically, we're trying to spread our risk amongst several brokers in case we get any broker funny business, like they go under or something. And you know, as you grow your accounts, you push off your money into more brokers. That's just how it works. So essentially what we've done here is we've combined this, and you can see when I first started out trading live here, these accounts, they went down, and it went down quite a bit. And so the question is, what should I do about this? How do I deal with this? Well, we know that the number one thing for traders is losing streaks. That's what kills traders. And so what I want to do here is work out what my stats are. My stats are up here. Over here, you can see my average win is $36.73. Remember, this is just $1,000. $492 was in the first account, and the second account had $501. So they both had about $1,000 in there. I mean, $1,000 in total, just under actually. So $36 average wins, $9.43 on the losses, and not only that, but I'll zoom in so you can see this. So that means the reward risk ratio is 3.89, and then we have 39.53% win rate, and the loss rate is 60.47%. So if my question is, should I keep trading? The answer is yes. And the reason why is because that was a normal drawdown. I talked about this in another video. You can go back and watch the other videos. This drawdown here that I hit down, down there, that was kind of normal. We actually pulled out of that, and it's currently up 24%, and it's sitting on 16.7% more profit in the open positions. So who knows what those will do, but they're looking good so far, those open positions at the moment. So it's gonna come down again, and that's gonna be normal, and eventually it's gonna pop up, and you'll see kind of the normal move here is that it takes a long time to go down. These are all several trades here because the losers are so small, but because the winners are so big, it hops up really quickly, and that's why you see these sharp moves upward. And that's kind of normal for the way that I trade. I like trading that way. I like trading with very, very small losses and very big wins. Remember, most traders do the opposite. So what can we do here? Well, what we can do is we can see, well, given the data that we have here, what's likely to happen? So I know that I have a 3.89 reward risk ratio, so I'm gonna put that in here. Here's my $1,000 account. I'm gonna put in 3.89. All of these tools, by the way, are in the Small Account Big Profits course. I know that I have a 39% win rate right now. It's actually 39.5, but I'll just put 39. I don't have any break-even trades. We're not gonna worry about all this other stuff. And I'm gonna risk 1% per trade. And you can see here, what this is telling me is that there's one path here where after about, how many trades here? After about 445 trades, I'll be at 58 grand, or 441, I think that is actually. And then it'll hit 100 grand around 500 trades or so. 513 trades, I think, something like that. But that's just one path. There's actually many, many different paths that we could take. It's not guaranteed that this is the path I'll take. That's just one of them. And so that's one of the things that you have to do when you're trading, is you have to make sure that you understand that the path that you take may not be the best path. You may start off in a drawdown like I did. You may get lucky and just ramp up all the way. You may have a terrible drawdown later. Chances are you're going to have a drawdown somewhere and a bad one. The key, though, is to understand how to overcome that and keep pushing through that challenge. And that comes in the psychology aspect of trading. A lot of traders don't understand the importance of building up their mindset so that when things get tough, they can keep going. Most traders don't. They quit. They go on to flipping houses or trading Bitcoin or whatever. They don't stick with it, and that's pretty common. So I hope that this video helps. If you'd like to learn more about small accounts, big profits, and follow along in the live account as we go march from $1,000 to $100,000, you're welcome to. Click the link below this video to get more information. Otherwise, I wish you happy trading. We'll see you in another video. Take care. Bye.